Hey everyone! Welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
A bottle? Oh, are we going to make something fun to drink like chocolate milk or Kool-Aid?
No, we're not going to make something fun to drink like chocolate milk or Kool-Aid. What we're going to do
Or maybe we're going to build a ship inside of it.
No, we're not going to build a ship inside the bottle. What we are going to do is...
Or maybe we're going to write a note, put it inside the bottle, and toss it out to sea so someone can rescue us from being marooned all alone on an island.
No, we're not going to write a note, put it inside the bottle, and toss it out to sea.
Yeah, like this. What do you think?
We're not even close to the ocean.
Oh, well, at least we don't have to worry about being stuck on an island.
Ow, brother. Hey friends, Pastor Robbie here, along with my lovely assistant and wonderful daughter, Sadie.
Hello.
And before we begin, we want to wish a happy birthday to Charles from Bow, Washington, who's about to turn 10 in a couple of days.
Happy birthday, Charles.
Charles is a big fan, and we are so excited to cheer him on.
Save some cake for me.
Now, if you happen to have a birthday coming up and you'd like it announced on a future episode, just go to our website, FamilyMomentsFun.com, and join the fun.
What a great way to partner with us.
So you got that right. Now, back to the lesson. As today, we're going to have some fun learning about serving others.
Serving others? I thought we were going to do something fun with the bottle.
Well, we were until someone broke it.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, I've got more.
So, what about serving others?
Well, let me ask you, what are some common chores that most kids usually end up doing?
Well, I guess the most popular ones would be like making their bed, cleaning their room, or maybe even things like mowing the lawn or taking care of their pets.
Yeah, those are pretty common. Now, what are some of the worst chores that kids really hate to do?
Well, I always hated cleaning the toilet and picking up doggy doo from the backyard.
Yeah, those are probably two of the worst. Usually when we have a guest visiting, we make sure the house is clean when they come, right?
Well, yeah, we want the place to look nice for them.
Yeah, but what if our guest was someone really important, like a celebrity or a world leader, and they got here and they said, hey, let me clean that toilet for you. And don't worry about the doggy doo, I'll get it.
What? Who would do something like that?
Jesus did.
What? Jesus didn't clean any toilets, did he?
Well, close.
When did he do that?
Well, there's a story in Matthew 13 where Jesus washes the feet of his disciples.
Washes their feet? Why would he do that? Shouldn't they have been the ones washing his feet? I mean, he was their leader, right?
Yes, he was their leader. In fact, he's the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Washing someone's feet was not fun or pretty, and it was usually done by the servants.
Yeah, so then why did Jesus do it?
Well, I think our answer can best be summarized by what it says in Mark 10:45, where Jesus said, "For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life a ransom for many."
Interesting.
Jesus washed their feet to demonstrate how we should spend our lives serving others.
Oh man, I bet the disciples were surprised.
They were shocked. It completely turned their world upside down.
Don't we already live in a crazy enough world? Why would we want to turn it upside down and make it even worse?
Because when we follow God, his ways are always better in the long run. He's actually taken a world that is upside down, a world where everyone focuses on pleasing themselves and he's turning it right side up where we think of others first. Let me demonstrate this for you with a little object lesson I like to call beads in a bottle. And all we're going to need is 2 identical bottles, a bunch of beads, an index card, and some water. Let's pretend that this bottle full of beads and water is you.
Pretty.
Yeah, you're focused on making yourself look nice and colorful and fun. And let's pretend that this other bottle of water is Jesus, also known as the living water. And you invite him into your life.
What are you doing? Don't tell me you're going to remove that index card. That'll mess up everything.
You would think so, but watch.
Hey, it's making all the beads rise to the top bottle.
It's turning your world upside down and making it into something even better.
Amazing. Now I'm filled with Jesus and the focus is on God above.
Right. And that's what happens when we surrender our selfish desires and serve others first.
That's a lot easier said than done. But in the long run, it's probably better for everyone.
Exactly. Learning to live a life of serving others is a beautiful thing. So, Sadie, what did you learn today?
I learned that even though Jesus was the King of Kings, he demonstrated what it meant to serve others by washing the disciples' feet.
Exactly.
And if we're wise, we will learn to live a life of serving others, because that's what God calls us to do. And in the end, it turns out pretty amazing.
Very good.
Now, I was just thinking about another beads in a bottle experiment that is pretty amazing when you turn things upside down.
Oh, really? And what's that?
Well, I've seen several beads in a bottle YouTube videos where they pour out the beads like this.
Hey!
Don't worry. And then we replay everything backwards like this. Isn't that satisfying?
Yeah, so what about cleaning up this mess?
Oh, that's the part where the leader, that'd be you, comes to serve, not be served.
What?
Don't worry, I brought an extra bottle of beads to double the blessing.
Ow, brother. Some of you may have wondered, where's Mona been lately? Well, in training. We stumbled across a fantastic and free online workshop through the Canine Training Institute that is training Mona to become as well-behaved as a service dog. And we love the workshop so much that we wanted to share it with you. This workshop is designed to help normal dogs like yours have the same level of calmness and obedience and impulse control as service dogs do. It's run by Dr. Alexa Diaz, one of the top service dog trainers in the U.S., and Eric Presnall, host of the hit Animal Planet TV show, Who Let the Dogs Out? This is a pre-recorded workshop, which means that you can watch it at your own convenience. And of course, Canine provides even more training for those who want to do more, which is what we did with Mona. Full disclosure though, Canine is one of our affiliate sponsors, which means if you sign up for the additional training, we get paid a small portion for promoting them. Which of course, we don't promote anything unless we believe in it and use it ourselves. You can find out more by clicking the link in the description below this video. And if you'd like to possibly sponsor an episode or a series of Family Moment episodes, just drop us an email. We'd love to talk to you about the possibility of partnering with us as we teach the truth about what matters most.